Welcome back to your GK class. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Epic Sagas. The term epic refers to long narrative poems, movies or novels describing heroic deeds. Epic, what is epic? It is the narrative poems, movies or novels in which some heroic deeds are described. Most epics are legendary tales about the glories and deeds of heroes from mythology and history. And who are the characters of these epics? Mostly they are from mythology and history. So here the hints are given of some epic, and you have to find out the author of those epic. The very first one is the ancient Greek epic, the Iliad, is the story of Achilles, of his anger and determination, and how he slew the Trojan hero Hector. Here the novel describes, the epic describes about the anger of Iliad and how his anger and determination helped him to overcome the hero Hector. And the name of the author is Homer, Homer. Homer is believed to have been a blind poet. He was a blind poet, wandering from place to place, reciting poems. He never used to write poems because he was blind. He used to recite the poems. Some scholars believe that the epics were not written by any one person but are a compilation of stories by different people over a period of time. He has not written it by himself. Some other people have written it for him, and it is the compilation collectively written by other people, and it has been collected and compiled and made one. The next is the Ramayana is an Indian epic written in Sanskrit. I hope you all are very well aware about Ramayana, and it is written in which language? Sanskrit. It tells the story of Ram, Sita and Lakshman of Ayodhya, which includes Rama's victory over Ravana and their lives thereafter. And the story is about Ram, Sita and Lakshman who lived in Ayodhya, and how Lord Ram killed Ravan and how they lived their life afterwards. And this book is written by Valmiki, Valmiki, Valmiki. Now the third one is Orlando Furioso is an Italian epic about the war between Christians and pagans. Now here the epic is written in Italian epic. It is written in about the story of Christians and pagan war, and the author of this epic is Ariosto, Ariosto. Ariosto. Fourth, the Aeneid, a Latin epic poem written from about 30 to 90 BC by this Roman poet, incorporates the various legends of Aeneas and makes him the founder of Roman greatness. He was the oldest one among the oldest writers, and he wrote this Latin epic, and the Latin epic name is Aeneid, and the name of the author is Virgil, Virgil. The fifth one is the Mahabharata is an Indian epic and the longest poem ever written. It narrates the story of the great Bharat dynasty. Now you all are very well aware about Mahabharata. You might be watching it on television also, and it is the longest poem ever written, and it narrates the story of great Bharat dynasty. It is written by Ved Vyasa. Vedavyasa. Ved Vyasa. Next, the Divine Comedy is a 14th century epic. It is divided into three major parts: Inferno, Purgatorio, and Paradiso. In the epic, the poet is guided by Virgil from hell to heaven. The name of the epic is the Divine Comedy, and this author was helped by Virgil. We have discussed it before. Virgil is the author of the Aeneid, and he was a Latin writer, right? And the name of the author of the Divine Comedy is Dante Alighieri. Dante Alighieri. Alighieri. Shahnameh is a Persian epic which means Book of Kings. It is written by a poet named Ferdowsi. It is a poem of nearly 60,000 verses, mainly based on the Khwate-Namak, a history of the kings of Persia and Pahlavi from mythical times down to the 7th century. Shahnameh is a Persian epic, and Shahnameh means Book of Kings, and the poet name is Ferdowsi, and it has 60,000 verses, and it is mainly based on Khwate-Namak, right? And it was written in 7th century. Moving on to the next page, you have to give one word answers to these questions based on religious books and scriptures. The very first one is, what is the name of the scriptural work whose theme is Krishna's response to Arjuna's concerns about killing the members of his family in the ensuing Mahabharata war? I hope you all have watched this once in your life. आप सभी ने महाभारत देखी होगी या इस समय देख रहे होंगे. Try to answer it out. ऐसी कौन सी scriptural work है, right, in which Krishna gives responses to Arjuna's concern to kill his family members? The name of that work is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Bhagavad Gita. Next, which god is Arjuna's father in the Mahabharata? You all might have seen or watched Mahabharata and you can easily answer this question. Arjuna's father was Lord Indra. Indra. Ashvaghosha wrote an account of the life and teachings of the Buddha called. Now, on the basis of the life of Buddha, Ashvaghosha wrote a book, and the name of that book is Buddha Charita. Buddhacarita. Buddhacarita. Buddha Charita. I missed out the third question. Who originally wrote the Ramayana? Ramayana was originally written by Valmiki. 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 The first answer is Bhagavad Gita. The second answer is Lord Indra. The third answer is Valmiki. The fourth answer is Buddha Charita. Next, fifth question. Which piece of his wife's jewelry does Kovalan, the hero in the Tamil epic Shilappa Dikaram, try to sell to an evil goldsmith for which he accused of being a thief? Now, there was a Tamil epic and where Kovalan The hero, who was the hero, tried to sell the part of which jewelry he tried to sell to the goldsmith. He tried to sell his wife's anklet, A-N-K-L-E-T. He tried to sell the anklet. Next, and what is anklet? Anklet is the ladies wear it in on their legs. Payal जिसे कहते हैं, right? Payal is called anklet. Sixth question. In the epic Mani Mekalai, the heroine of the same name goes to Vanchi to perform penance. Vanchi served as the capital of which great dynasty? There was an epic Mani Mekalai, right, where the heroine of the same name goes to Vanchi. ठीक है? The heroine went to Vanchi to perform penance. Now what is penance? Any idea? It is a Catholic sacrament. ठीक है? It is a Catholic sacrament. एक religious ceremony होती है. ठीक? And वांची कहाँ का कैपिटल था? कौन सी डायनासिटी का? सेरा. C-E-R-A. Seventh question. The legends of the ancestors of which avatar of Vishnu are narrated in Kalidasa's Raghu Vamsha. कालिदास की रघुवंशा में which ancestors of Vishnu are narrated? The answer is Ram. R-A-M, Ram. Eighth question. In which language were the Ramayana and Mahabharata first written? This answer I have already told you previously. It is written in Sanskrit. In the Ramayana, who cuts off Supernakha's nose? I hope everyone might have watched Ramayana and they can answer this out. Who was he? Lakshman. L-A-K-S-H-M-A-N. Lakshman. 10th question. In the Mahabharata, who was Karna's mother? कर्ण की माँ कौन थी महाभारत में? The answer is Kunti. K-U-N-T-I. Kunti. Did you know the epic of Mahabharata is the longest poem ever to be written? ये सबसे लंबी पोएम है जो आज तक लिखी गई है. The book currently contains about 1 lakh shlokas or stanzas. I hope you all will keep revising it and learning it. I'll be sending you the answers separately also. Try to understand this, and till then, take care of yourselves. Thank you.